Let's never forget we are not braaibroodjies. I had an experience recently that reminded me of something that I think we all need to remember. We cannot be all things to all people all the time. Some people will think we are wonderful. Some will think, not that much. And some simply won't care either way. And no matter how hard we try, we cannot control that. What we can control is how we respond. I recently had every reason to react immediately, but I remembered something that I've spoken about before. Don't react, respond. So I waited for a whole 2 days, and when I finally responded, I was calm, clear, and much more certain about what I wanted to say. The bigger lesson for me was this: we do not need to try and get everyone to approve of us. We do not have to keep twisting ourselves into different versions of ourselves to keep everybody happy. As we say in South Africa, you are not a braaibroodjie, because only a braaibroodjie can please everyone.